Yo, 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 what's going on, guys? And welcome to another episode of Life of Lomax. I am your Lomax.
MarciaLomax.
Yes, and we got a treat for you guys today. I am a big cookie guy, especially homemade cookies, but I've been seeing this particular company all over YouTube and Instagram, and it happens to be from Lancaster, PA, which is a couple hours away from Philadelphia. So when I saw her videos about her cookies, it intrigued me and I wanted to get some. And it's called Taylor's Chips. Taylor Chips. So I got a half dozen, which is 6 cookies, and I picked some different flavors. So you guys are going to check this out in a second. It came in this box right here. I already opened it up because I wanted them warm. So let's open it up and see what we got. So, all right, put this on the side. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And these are all 6-ounce cookies, so they're really big. Let's see what else is in this package. Oh, look, got nice little cards in here. So, bam! That's what it is right there. Taylor Chip. So I'm looking forward to it. What's this right here? Up, we got a hashtag Taylor Chip Bliss. Let's see, what else is this? Want gooey? Put it in the microwave. Already did that. Yeah. So guess what? We get ready to dive in after we get done with a prayer. Marcia, you gonna try these with me?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty, righty. Lord, we thank you for these cookies that we're about to receive for our nourishment for our bodies, for Christ Jesus' sake. Amen. Let's get to this taste test. So, as you guys can see, Marcia, you want to lift the camera up real quick? Take a good look at that right there. Look at those right there. I got 6 different flavors. Yum, yum, and yum. Can't wait to try these out.
Thumbnail?
So, let's do the thumbnail. Oh. All right. Cool. So let's try this one first. This one right here is the Oreo cream cookie. So let's open up this bad boy. Yeah. Ooh. This mug. Look at this. Look at that. Can you see that? Can you see that? And then look at this. Look, I'm about to bust it open. Yes. All right, so let's try this. All right. Oh, and we got some milk on the side. All right. Let's try this cookie out. Okay. Yeah.
That's pretty good.
It is good. Get a lot of that Oreo. You like Oreos, don't you, Marcia?
Yeah, that's real good.
Okay.
I want to eat my whole half, but I'm trying to save some room for the other ones. That's good. And I have chocolate milk. Gil has
Yeah, I'm about to mess around and eat that whole thing too. Okay, on to the next one. We have, let's go with this one. I believe this was the white chocolate and macadamia nut. What's on there, Marcy?
White chocolate and macadamia nut.
Yep. This is the white chocolate and macadamia nut. Look at that. All right. Bust it. Yes. Go ahead. Let's try these on out.
That's good too.
Got some crunch action, but it's still soft.
That's good.
That's good too. Mm.
I like the Oreo one better so far, but that's good.
Okay. This one better than the Oreo.
You do.
Mm. Mm. Okay. Mm. Let's go with this one right here. This one looks like I believe the s'more.
Okay, s'more, yep.
Yeah, I think this is a s'more. Look at that. Mm.
Mmm.
Bust it open.
Ooh.
Look at
Look
that.
at that cream on the inside.
Mm-hmm. Which one you want?
Ooh.
I picked here. This is a small one. Uh-oh. Oh. All right. Here we go. Okay. I immediately got that graham cracker, the marshmallow, and the chocolate. This tastes like camping.
Yes, it's good. It does. Tastes like campfire, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Mm.
I'm still leaning on the s'more, but that's good.
I don't know. It's a tough one between the s'more and the macadamia nut. Mm. Let me get one more. Mm. They melt in your mouth. Mm-hmm. I'm not sure. I think the s'more one might be ahead right now.
Okay.
Mm. Okay. This right here is the peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter and jelly. That's gonna be different.
Yes.
I've never had jelly in my cookie.
Uh-oh. It's falling apart a little bit.
That's because I must have warmed it up a little too much. It's a little too soft.
Uh-oh. Okay, this is falling apart
That's
just
fine.
just a
Take it
tad
out.
bit.
All right, take it on out.
Yeah.
Just take it out, put it on the thing.
Okay. Damn. Okay, I got it. All right. This is falling apart just a little bit, but look at that. You see that jam? See the jam in there? Ooh. Uh-oh. All right. Which piece you want? Here, take this.
Thank you.
All right. This is not going to waste. Let's go. Mm.
All right, peanut butter and jelly. Let's see.
Mm. Yo.
Wow. It feels like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Yo. Okay. This is my favorite one.
Yeah, that is good. Dang, that really tastes like a peanut butter and jelly
Yes,
sandwich.
that's my favorite one so far.
That's impressive.
And I'm going to say the s'more. Okay, so number 1 is the peanut butter and jelly. 2 is the s'more. 3 is the macadamia. 4 is the Oreos and cream. Wow. Mm.
I need a napkin.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. All right, yo. Peanut butter jelly is where it's at. Okay.
And you like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Yes. All right. This one right here, oatmeal and raisin. Uh-oh. Okay, this is a part 2. I'm going to just leave it in the bag. See that? That right there is the oatmeal raisin.
Oatmeal raisin.
Go ahead, bust this open right quick.
They didn't come like this, guys. They didn't come crunched up. I put them in the microwave. So
Yeah, it kind of broke apart in the
they're a
microwave.
little extra soft.
See that? All right. Let's try it out. Because I like oatmeal cookies too. I still got the peanut butter and jelly on home.
I don't like raisins. So I don't like raisins. So I'm going to eat around the raisins.
You have to eat it
Nope.
in its entirety.
Nope.
So you can appreciate
Nope.
the flavor
Nope.
that it's supposed to have.
Nope. That's good, though.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay. It's good. I say this became the fourth one. So peanut butter and jelly, the s'more, the macadamia nut, the oatmeal raisin, and then the Oreo.
Okay.
I got cookies all over this. All right,
Sound good.
last one. And I believe this last one is chocolate chunk.
Yep. Walnut chocolate chunk.
Walnut
Chocolate
chocolate chunk. Yeah, I got some walnuts in it. This one stood up to the heat. Look at that one. Bam.
That looks good.
All right. Let's go ahead. Break this on apart. Boom. Ooh. Look at that. Clean break right there.
Ooh. Ooh.
All right.
Yep.
All right. Let's try this one out.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like this one the best because it's like chocolate chip.
And walnut.
Walnut, yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
you like that? All right.
I really am a chocolate chip girl, so this is my number one.
Okay. And this,
Molly, be quiet.
this became. I like it better than the macadamia. So this became the third.
I'm glad you're keeping up with it, cause
Yeah. So peanut butter and jelly is first. The s'more is second. The walnut and chocolate chip is third. Fourth is the white chocolate macadamia. Sixth is the
fifth.
fifth. Wait, did I miss one? Oh, oatmeal raisin.
That's fifth.
Yeah. No.
Huh.
Okay, let me start over. Peanut butter and jelly is first. S'more is second. This is third. So the walnut and the chocolate chunk is third.
Okay.
The fourth is the oatmeal raisin.
Okay.
The fifth is the white chocolate macadamia. Sixth is the
S'more.
Oreo. No, the Oreo. Oreos and cream.
Yes.
All right. Well, guys,
These cookies are good, Taylor.
these cookies are good.
They are.
So they got a bunch of other flavors. I just chose the 6 that I thought I would like. So go ahead if you would like and check her out. They ship, so it doesn't matter where you are.
Taylor Chip.
Oh yes.
And her hashtag is what?
And the hashtag is I believe it was Bliss. Bam.
Taylor Chip Bliss. All right.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Well, we're gonna put these up and save them for later because those were some big cookies, as you can see.
They are big.
So, until next time, folks, you guys be sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share these videos with everybody.
And hit that notification bell.
Yes, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of all of our future videos. And hit that thanks button.
Yes.
Hit that thanks button for us. That will help out our channel a lot. It'll help out on doing a lot more reviews. And you can just say thanks.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? A nice little appreciation when help. Sorry, I'm getting tongue tied here.
You
Little
getting
thanks.
choked on the
Yeah, I know.
cookies that are still in your mouth. That's what
Yes.
you're doing.
Won't hurt nobody. You know what I mean? So, like I said, guys, make sure you hit that thanks button, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Until next time, folks, peace out.
Peace, guys.